It is my Quora account. I got more than 500,000 views for the 2 weeks. As you see, you can receive a lot of traffic on your answers. With Quora, I promote my YouTube channel about politics. Of course, you can paste the link to your site. In this situation, it is just an example to show how personally I use Quora. Some people who read my posts click on my video and go through to my channel. I don't paste the video from YouTube in each of my answers. Only in answers when it's necessary and when it helps people understand better what I mean. Further, I will tell you 3 basic rules on how to get more views on Quora. Number 1. Answer to a recent question in popular spaces. Spaces is a Quora community. As you see, I am a contributor to one of the most popular spaces about politics and the Ukrainian war, and I am trying to be the first to answer. Automatically, who is interested in this topic clicks on this question and sees only me. I get views until someone can answer. When other users space their opinion, my answer already got upvotes. And my answer has ranked higher anyway. Number 2. Answer a question with a lot of followers and few answers. It also increases the chance to attract the attention of your potential customers. Number 3. Use eye-catching images in your answers. The very important thing is the visual style of your answer. Many people don't use images and lose views. Remember that answer with quality images and well-formatted text looks better and receives more views, upvotes and shares. I hope you understand the basic principle. We answer questions in the good traffic community as detailed as possible and understandable. Make your content eye-catching and don't spam our links. I hope it will help you succeed on Quora.